Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily run a PHP file on your browser using XAMPP. Here's what we'll cover in the tutorial: how to install XAMPP, how to set up XAMPP, how to create basic PHP file, and finally, how to use your browser to run the PHP file using the XAMPP server. There are other tools like XAMPP, map, but in this video we focus on XAMPP, one of the most popular and easiest options for running PHP locally. So make sure to watch this video to the end, and if you face any issues while following along, feel free to drop a comment below. I will do my best to help you out. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more programming tutorials. To install XAMPP, open your favorite browser and search for download XAMPP. Click on the first result. It should be from the official Apache Friends website. You will see the latest version available for download. At the time of making this video, the latest version is XAMPP 8.2.12 for Windows. Also, the video is for Windows users, but by the time you watch this, a new version might be available. Don't worry, the installation process will be almost the same. I've also added a download link in the description below, so you can go straight to the official website. Once the download is complete, go to the download folder. You see the XAMPP installer there. Double click it to start the installation. When it asks for administrative privileges, click yes. Now follow the simple steps. Click next on the setup wizard. Choose the default installation folder, usually C drive XAMPP. That's perfectly fine. You can choose yours. Choose your language. English is selected by default. Click next and then install. Wait for a couple of minutes while XAMPP installs. Once the setup is complete, you will see the message completing the XAMPP setup wizard. Click finish and the XAMPP control panel will automatically open. In the XAMPP control panel, click Start next to Apache and MySQL. Once both of them turn green, that means your local server is up and running. You can minimize the XAMPP control panel. It will keep running in the background. Let's create a simple PHP project and run it on the browser. Open File Explorer and go to your C drive. Open the XAMPP folder. Inside that, find the folder named htdocs. This is where all your PHP project files should go. Now, let's create a new folder inside htdocs. Right click, select new folder and name it something like PHP practice. Open that folder, right click inside and choose new text document. Rename it to hello.php. Make sure the replace.txt with .php. If your system doesn't show file extensions, go to the View tab, click Show, and enable file name extensions right here. Now that your file is ready, right click hello.php and open it in Notepad or your preferred code editor. Let's write a simple PHP script. Open with a PHP syntax and in between echo hello world and close tag with PHP. Save the file Now it's time to view our PHP file in action. Open your browser. In the address bar, type localhost php practice /hello.php. Hit enter. You should now see the text hello world displayed on your screen. Let's test one more thing. Go back to your hello.php file, change the text inside to hello everyone, save the file and refresh your browser. Now you will see hello everyone displayed. That means your local PHP server is working perfectly. Alright, let's say you've just downloaded the PHP source code project. The first thing you want to do is to go to your downloads directory. Look for the project file. It's probably in zip or RAR format. Go ahead and extract the folder. Once that's done, open the extracted folder. Now copy that entire folder and paste it into your htdocs directory. This is where XAMPP runs on your local web projects. Now open up your browser. In the address bar, type localhost / your folder name. Hit enter. Alright, before you can run this project properly, you will need to set up its database. So let's go back to the extracted folder. Look for the SQL file. It's usually inside the folder called database, but sometimes it might be in the root directory or even mentioned inside the readme file. Once you find it, open the file using your favorite text editor like VS Code or Sublime Text, etc. Inside the SQL file, you will often see something like create database project name right here. That's the database name you will be using, which is different for any extracted folder. Now let's open XAMPP control panel. Make sure both Apache and SQL are running. Next, click on the admin button next to MySQL. That should open up phpMyAdmin in your browser. Once you are in phpMyAdmin, go to Databases tab. Now, create a new database and make sure to use the same name you saw in the SQL file. Then click on Create. After creating it, make sure you are inside the new database. Then click on Import. Choose the SQL file you found earlier and hit Go to import it. Once that's done, the database should now be connected. Now let's test if the project works. Go back to your browser and refresh your project page. That's localhost folder name. If everything went fine, you should now see the login and home page of your PHP project. Try logging in with the default credentials. Sometimes it's something like admin and 12345. but it will usually be written in the README file. And that's it. The PHP project with SQL is now fully running locally. If you get any errors, double click on your database name in the config file, usually located in a folder called include config or dbconnect.php. Once that's fixed, you're good to go. So that's how you can easily install XAMPP and run PHP files on your browsers using your localhost. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who are learning PHP. I regularly post coding tutorials and tech-related videos here on the channel, so make sure to stay tuned for more. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, God bless you.